How are you guys? My name is Jonathan Fernandez. I am better known as Road Peak John in bodybuilding.com. I'm the author of the commercial for the MHP contest. It was very grateful for me to know that I won the contest. And I want to also tell you that I give you the permission to take full control of the video so you can add it to your website, maxperformance.com, from MHP. And well, that's it. That's a great company with great athletes like Victor Martinez, John Anderson, Eric Poundstone, to just name a few. I want to thank you again for the opportunity to make that commercial. Thank you. Bye.